Good morning, literacy scholars. It is Miss Bardalis here today for your video module. I hope you are all having a wonderful week. We're going to be doing things a little bit differently for module number 3 of this week. Let's go ahead and start by taking a look at today's objectives. Literacy scholars will be able to complete makeup work and missing mastery checks or assignments and explore extension project options when completed. And our language objective for today, literacy scholars will be able to complete missing work by filling out a grade and module tracker, asking questions, and conferencing with their teachers. Essentially today and tomorrow, you're just going to be focusing on getting caught up on your classwork to make sure that you are on track for finishing eSchool strong. I know a lot of you are already off to a great start, and we just want to give you an opportunity to get caught up if maybe you have missed a few modules here and there. We're going to start with a do now, where you're going to answer 2 questions. Question 1, what are 2 things that are going well for you in literacy class and why? And question 2, what are 2 things that have been challenging for you in literacy class and why? Go ahead and pause the video here so you can complete your do now on slide number 4 of your module for today. Now that you've had a chance to complete your do now, let's take a look at the directions for today. Below is the work that you need to complete for Module 3. Follow the checklist created so that you know what you need to complete to ensure you're caught up for literacy class. Our to-do lists for class today and tomorrow are split up into 3 categories. Mustard, those are things you must complete today. Catch up, what you can catch up on in class today. Hope you're enjoying those puns. And then pickles, what you can complete once you've completed your mustard and ketchup. Some of you might not have very many mustard and ketchup things to do, and if that's the case, you'll basically be going straight to pickles. Some of you might have a few more mustard and ketchup things to do, and you might not get to the pickles, and that is okay as long as you complete the things in order. As you can see, there are 2 mustard tasks to start with. That's completing the mastery check grade checklist and completing the module completion checklist. From there, you'll move to your catch-up, which is any missing modules in the gradebook or any missing mastery checks. We'll review the pickles at the end of the video module. In your class packet for today, you can see the first part for your directions mustard of the mastery check checklist. You have a list of all of the mastery checks you should have completed so far during eSchool for ELA. You're going to need to log into Edulastic to see whether or not you've completed each mastery check. You should put yes or no in the box along with your score for each mastery check. Go ahead and pause the video here to complete your mastery check checklist. The second part of your mustard for today is your modules checklist. In your class packet, this slide will actually be filled out for you already with all of the modules you are currently missing. Some modules are going to be highlighted in yellow. Those are the ones that you should prioritize doing first as you start working on your catch-up work. As you complete missing modules, you should put a yes or no in the completed column to help you keep track of which things you still need to work on. Go ahead and pause the video here so you can complete your module checklist for the mustard on slide 10 for your modules today. Looks like we finished up our mustard. That means that we are on to catch-up. That means that any missing mastery check or module that needs to be completed should be worked on right now. You can already see that based on the 2 checklists that you completed as a part of your mustard assignments for today. You should refer back to those checklists and start working on any missing modules and any missing mastery checks. Remember, you should focus on the modules highlighted in yellow first, and then the others if you have time. Remember, if you have any questions about missing assignments or want help working on them, you should reach out to me to get some answers via Teams. Now, if you've finished both your mustard and your ketchup, then it is time to move on to your pickles. You have 3 options for your pickles extension projects for today. Option number 1, it is an IRB review project. You can send Ms. Bardalis, that's me, an email with a 4 or more sentence review of an IRB that you're either currently reading or your favorite IRB from this school year. Option 2, if you're feeling really ambitious, is an IRB movie project. You can create your own movie version of your favorite IRB using materials from around your house. You can then submit that to me in an email. Option 3 is a book cover art project. You can create a new cover for your favorite book and again submit it to me via email. Remember, you should only be working on the pickles project if you've already finished your mustard and ketchup, so catching up on those missing modules. But if you get there, these projects are a really fun and creative opportunity to do something a little bit different as a part of literacy class. I hope you're all taking advantage of this time to get caught up. And remember, I'm always here to answer any questions if you might have them. I'm going to send you off into your work time now, and I will see you all later.